To use your S Pen as remote control to easily open a certain app in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to set the action when you hold down your S Pen button to the desired app. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features and then tap S Pen. By default, Air Action menu is enabled. If this menu is disabled, tap the on-off switch next to Air Action until the switch turns blue to turn it on. Next, tap Air Action. Tap press and hold pen button. Scroll down the screen. Under suggested apps or all apps section, select the desired app. As the example, we will select Chrome app. To see how it works, remove your S Pen. Tap and hold the S Pen button on the side of your S Pen. You can see that your phone is now opening Chrome browser app automatically. Given to the function, you can use this feature as an alternative way to easily launch your favorite or the most frequently used app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.